Hey, I didn't expect to see you there. Hi, I'm Big Muffin 87, and this is possibly the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Well, it is, because I tell you for one thing, I forgot my damn fork. So you know what? 20 seconds in, already pausing it. So give me 1 second so I look professional. Oh wait, it was in my hand the whole time. Well, lucky for you guys, I planned that accordingly. 100% accordingly. And you know what? That is alright by me. Even if I'm lying, which I'm not. Anyway, today we're gonna be tasting the ramen that I just made. Not even 10 minutes ago. You can see it's still freaking steaming here. So what am I doing with my life, honestly? See, we got this ramen here. It does not look appetizing at all. It's really juicy. It's got a pickle in it. It's got an apple. Wait. Let me just try to pull this thing up here for you. Look at that. Does that look good to you? Not to me. I'm gonna cut that thing up. So yeah, this thing has got 2 servings of ramen noodles, 2 cups of water, 1 dill pickle, a few Fruit Loops, desired number of Fruit Loops, or Tutti Fruttis as they're called, and then 1 sliced apple cut up in half. So you know what? Without further ado, guys, we're just gonna jump right in. It's hot, of course, so you don't want to hurt yourself. You gotta blow on it. Well, I have to say, it did taste normal. It did taste very normal. So, yeah. I'll admit, this is not very extreme. You know what? We can make it a bit more extreme. I got some Arnold Palmer here. We're gonna go ahead and add it to that, because why the fuck not? There we go. We got a little bit of Arnold Palmer in there now. I'm gonna mix her up. Desired amount of Arnold Palmer as well. So there you go. And it's Arnold Palmer light half and half iced tea lemonade, 128 flow ounces, or for all you simpletons, is 1 gallon. Idiots. Well, that did certainly make it not as good, I'd say. Arnold Palmer did have some sort of effect on it. And let's get a chunk of apple in here. So, oh, fuck! It's so nasty. Oh, it's so gross. Like the apple was like kind of bitter, and so like the juices and the Arnold Palmer and the bitterness of the apple all combined into one fucking like sloppy vagina, and it was probably the worst thing I've ever tasted. I'll be honest. All right, so next we got this like fat ass pickle here, which I'm gonna cut in half. No, never mind. It's just gonna go down beneath the surface. I'm going to try again. Oh my god, this thing actually will not get cut in half. Give me a second here. Oh my god. It is hard to cut a pickle in half, guys. Jesus. Alright, well, it's cut in half. Alright, so we got a pickle on here, and we're going to try it. Okay. I mean, there's no surprises. It is exactly what you would expect. It tasted like a pickle, ramen noodles, and something that is wrong with ramen noodles, which is obviously this Arnold Palmer here. So yeah, that's nice. So now we're going to go for a crazy ride. We're going to have the apple, the pickle. We got the apple and pickle here. Alright, see? And go ahead. Get a bunch of ramen on there. And we can get some more than that. There we go. Looky there. Alright? I don't know what it's going to be like. It's probably not going to be good. But we'll find out. Ugh. Ugh. Oh. That's fucking. That's so disgusting. I don't even know how to describe that. Oh my god. That was so nasty. Ugh. Fuck. Whew. That was not good. Not gonna lie. But that was really fucking disgusting. So, apples and pickles, I guess, just don't go well together. That literally tasted so fucking bad. And it was so mushy. I did not want to swallow that. I think I have temporary PTSD. You know, we're just going to go ahead and take a few more bites of this just to see what it's like. Alright, yeah. So it's normal ramen. We got a few chunks of Tutti Fruttis in here. Just a few chunks. It's nothing too much. But yeah. It does not taste good. I can assure you that. I'm not actually that hungry. I lie. I had Chinese food before I came here. Peep Ramsey Smith. But yeah. We're gonna eat it, but there's a vape cloud. Whoa! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Holy shit, that was amazing! There wasn't a difference. There was not a difference. So yeah. Like, rate, comment, and subscribe for more. I don't know how to rap, but I know my dog's a lazy whore. My YouTube channel, Like a Bird's Gonna Soar. Wild Z Visual is gonna be flopping like a door. Ooh, fuck! Oh, shit! Damn, dog. Oh, that was pretty dope, guys. I just threw that, and it legit just landed like this. That was dope. Yeah, like, rate, comment, subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!